All right, this is a audio test for the DJI mic. I'm holding it slightly in front of my face. There is some waves lapping here. Not quite as breezy as I would like. Holding it perpendicular, we're gonna kind of spin the mic around a little bit so that we can see if without the dead cat on it, and now I'm gonna point it down, if it picks up any extra audio from out. Now facing the other way. And then we're gonna bring this back up again just to see if there is any audio that is picked up. All right, and same distance away, dead cat is on. Kind of wish I was not fiddling with the mic test right now. Missed a bald eagle snatching something out of the Hudson right over there. But we're gonna kind of pan around, give you something to look at while I'm actually doing this test. So breeze has kind of cut down significantly, but we're gonna twist the mic around, face it parallel to the deck going left. And now I'm going to aim it to the bottom so that the mic is furthest away from me. And we're gonna flip this back up one more time and give you a look out there into the Hudson on this kind of hazy day. All right, now we're gonna try having two mics on. I have one lapel to me and then one to my assistant, who will say hi.
Hi.
Just to give you an idea of what it's like when you're working with a single track that kind of blends the two together. If she says something else.
Something else.
She's very helpful for these things, but this gives you an idea of what audio sounds like when they're merged into a single track. This is going to be an example of both transmitters as we spin around, but we're now in stereo left-right channels. So if you're listening to this right now, mine should sound like it's coming from your left headset. Probably should have told you to put a headset on sooner. That would have been smart. Now, if I tell my lovely assistant to start speaking.
Hello from the right side.
She could say a little more.
Hello, how are you doing today?
She was going to joke around and do supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Now, we are both going to try and say that at the same time so that you hear what it sounds like in stereo. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. There you go. All right, so that is an example of the transmitters on left-right channels